Now, friends, I enter into another application. Till the time I'm explaining the numbering system and what are the algorithms are used for the numbering system, I just explain. Carefully learn these algorithms and try to understand what is going on. Now, in this third application, I want to show you. I enter a number from the keyboard and that number, and I in that number I add the sum of digits. Take an example. I enter 25. At a small digit I take. The value must be 7. There are two digits are available. One is 2, another one is 5. 2 plus 5 is what? 7. That calculation I have to did. But how it is possible that I can write the code in Java and it perform the task? See, it is not a difficult job, but first I explain how it will work. Now see, I just write here notepad. There it is the add digit dot Java. I just write it. So similar way, I write the code here. Import java dot util dot that is scanner. I already covered. What is the responsibility of this line? This line is basically used to import the scanner class. And I'm using the scanner class for taking the input from the keyboard in case of Java. So I already show you the applications. Now you check public class. What is the class name is add digit. Check here. Add digit is the class name. You know that that is the class definition. I just defined the class. And you know that Java is a pure object-oriented language. In Java, everything is defined within the class. Now, what is my next job? What I want to do? I move to the main method. Here you see public static void main. Here I pass. That is string, sorry. Here you check. That is string args. You know that in case of Java, the main method is called by JVM. JVM called the main method. And you know that the JVM interpret what? The bytecode. So whenever I write anything inside the main, it is called by JVM, and here everything is interpreted or translated line by line. Now, what is my next job? I just write here scanner s is equal to new scanner. I just pass here system.in. When I explain, I just explain it. Every line I explain what is the job of that line, because most of the guys are not my student. They are not the student of Java Technocrat. So I first explain, I'm giving you the tricks to write the code. This line construct the object of the scanner class for taking the input from keyboard. System is the class, in is the constant, which is used to take the input from keyboard. Now here you see system.out.println. I just write here. There it is, enter a number. It is the second line. Second line tells that a print message I just pass enter a number. Take an example. I enter 25 from keyboard. Next line I write int num is equal to. That is s start next int. Now, what I did here, whatever the number I entered from the keyboard, that number is assigned to what? Num. Next int is the method of the scanner. It is a non-static method of the scanner class. Whatever I stored in the scanner object, whatever the number I stored in the scanner object, that number is extracted from the scanner object and stored it in num. So take an example. I enter 25. Now num hold word 25. Now, I already covered that is num value I must be stored in a location, because when I use a loop the num value must be changed. So what I did here, int x is equal to num. That means word I assign the num value to x. Now num value is 25. Now x value is also 25. Then after that I declare another two variable, temp is equal to 0 and another variable is a sum. Sum is equal to 0. You know that Java already specified that the local variables are bound to be initialized. All are local variables. 4 variables I declared. One is num that takes the number input from keyboard. X holds the num value. Fine. It is also same 25. Temp is a local variable for main and sum is a local variable for main. Now temp is initialized by 0, sum is also initialized by 0. Now I pass a condition. What is the condition I write? While x greater than 0. Now take an example for the first time. What is the value of x is? X value is 25. 25 greater than 0. Yes, the condition is satisfied. You know that when the condition is satisfied, it is just enter into next line. Temp is equal to temp modulo, that is 10. Now just remember a very fundamental concept. As a trainer, I just give you one advice that if I want to extract the last digit from 25, like last digit is what, 5, then I must use the modulo operator. Modulo is arithmetic operator, and what it extract the last digit, because modulo means remainder. It extract the last digit. 25 modulo 10, 5 is extracted, so temp is 5. Now, what is my intention? I want to add the two digits, 2 plus 5, that is 7. First, I extract the last digit. First, 5 is extracted. Then, till the time, what is the value of sum is? 0. 0 plus, I just write here, temp. What is the value of temp is 5. 0 plus 5 is what? Now it is 5. Sum value is 5. Then what is the next logic I have to write? From 25, I want to erase a 5. Only 2 is stored. How it is possible? In algorithm case, I give you another free advice. If you want to extract the last digit, then you use modulo operator. If I want to remove the last digit, you just use the divide operator. And all the tasks are done by 10. Now what I write here, I by equal, that is what I can do here. That means I is equal to I by 10. What is the value of I is? Now I value is till the time 25 by 10 is what? 2. Now I value is 2. So 25 from 25 2, that is 2 is that is 5 is erased. Now 2 is staying here. Now temp case, I want to extract the last digit modulo. Modulo 10 means I extract the last digit. So this is the concept you have to understand. If you understand this type of concept, then you are capable to write the code. As a senior, that is what, a programmer, or as a senior mentor, as I have 25 years experience in this field, I'm just giving you the tricks to use this concept. So when you are a beginner, you have to learn this fundamental concepts. Now check, 2 is greater than 0. Yes, condition satisfied. When it move here, temp is equal to temp modulo. Sorry, it is not temp. It is x modulo, that is 10. That is 2 modulo 10. 2 modulo 10 means what? Remainder is 2. Temp value is 2. Now sum is equal to, sum value is 5. 5 plus 2. 2 is what? 7. Now sum value is 7. I is equal to I by 10. 2 by 10 is 0. Now next time, 0 greater than 0. No, condition is not satisfied. Now check here, what is my next job? I'm quitting from the, that is loop. From I am in the main. I'm out from the loop. So the loop continue how many times? 2 times. If it is 25, the loop continue. That is what, 2 times. What I can do, I just print a message, system.out.println. Here you see. I just write here, that is a sum of digits available. Here you see, digits available in, you have to pass here plus in num. That is the sum of digits available in num. Num is 25. Is here you see what I did is sum. Now what is the value of sum is? Sum is 7. That is what sum is 7. Sum of digits available in num. Num value is what? Now num value is 25. Now 25 is sum. Sum value is what? 7. So this is the simple logic I just write here. Now this concept I just explained it here. Just see here. I just do one thing. Check. Studied from this, num is equal to 25. I is equal to num. That means I is also 25. Temp is equal to 0 and the sum is equal to 0. While I means what? 25. While 25